In this tutorial, we're going to show you an amazing feature within the Rapyd Dashboard that makes it very easy to manage your plugins and debug issues that you may encounter after a plugin update. Say goodbye to the hassle of plugin management, because Rapyd Dashboard has got you covered. With its intuitive interface, developers and website administrators will find plugin management a breeze. From your Rapyd Dashboard, locate the website you want to manage. If many websites are listed on your dashboard, use the search bar to quickly locate the one you need. Then go to the Plugins tab to view all of your installed plugins. Here, you can sort this list to either your regular plugins, must-use plugins, or drop-in plugins. You also have your bulk action tool here, so you can activate or deactivate multiple plugins at once. We also added a drop-down to filter your plugins to show all or just the active or inactive plugins. And to quickly find installed plugins using keywords, you can use the search bar here. Underneath that is the refresh button. This button refreshes the list to display any recent changes made to the plugin list. Beside the plugin name, you can see the current status of the plugin on your site. It's either active or inactive. Next to the status is the current version of the plugin. Also, a button that lets you roll back to the previous version of the plugin, if the plugin supports it. If you click the button, and the plugin supports rolling back to a previous version, a pop-up will appear where you can select a previous version, and then click Rollback to confirm your request. This is particularly useful if you recently updated a plugin, and then you start noticing issues on your site. Rolling back to the previous version from the Rapyd Dashboard allows you to quickly reset your plugin to the previous state before the update. Lastly is the Updates section. It shows if the plugin is up to date or not. If the plugin is not up to date, it will say, Updates available. Just click the button and a pop-up will appear to confirm your request. Review the details, then click Confirm. Rapyd offers an intuitive solution to the challenges that come with managing WordPress plugins. Its user-friendly interface enables users to perform various actions, including activating, deactivating, updating, and even rolling back plugins with ease.